How to fix screenshot not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart your phone. Now swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on restart. Again click on restart. Again click on restart. Restart your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again open settings. Scroll down. Click on software update. Click on download and install. Here you will see update option. After click on update, your mobile software will be update. Now go back. After that, allow palm swipe to capture. Click on settings, scroll down, click on advanced features, click on motions and gestures. Here you will see palm swipe to capture, and if you want to allow palm swipe to capture, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, palm swipe to capture will be enabled from your phone. This is how you can fix screenshot not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.